Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to get you up and running with SEO Booster in a few minutes. Download the file from the email you were sent or from your account page when you log in. In your WordPress admin, choose the file and upload it. When the plugin has finished uploading, click Activate. The first thing you're going to do is enter your license key. This license key will be in the email you got when you first purchased the plugin. Click Activate License. The first step you need to do when you have installed the plugin is to authenticate with Google. This is a step that allows us to get access to your Google Search Console data so we can gather all the information and collect it. You will be taken through a very simple process where you need to identify which. Then you log in. In this case, I already have given access to SEO Booster, but you will be asked what kind of information you want to give them access to. And that's it. We're now logged in. Your website should automatically be chosen from the list, but in case it's not, you can always go and choose a different domain. When you click Get Keyword Data, the process begins where it will go to the Google Search Console API and start downloading all the keywords and the dates and all the other related information they have. This can take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on the size of your website. Once the process is finished, you can go to the dashboard. Welcome to your dashboard. Now on the dashboard here you can see a quick overview of the most important information. In the beginning over here you will see a quick overview of how many keywords have been used to find how many pages on your website. You can see we have 47 pages on this particular website that have been getting traffic from Google, and there's been a usage of 508 keywords from that. So we see how much data there is. This is relevant because Google only saves the last 90 data, but once you have this plugin installed, it will update every day. So you will actually have, over time, you can gain history going a lot further back. And down here, you will just see a quick overview with some technical metrics about the amount of traffic. Now keep in mind, this is all related to Google Search Console. It does not include traffic from other sources. Over here you can see the top 7 keywords for the past 30 days. And down here there is a lot more to dig into. So thank you for installing SEO Booster and welcome. Continue reading and viewing these videos to check out what else can be done with SEO Booster.